Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of understanding Battlefield error code. But content error code in Battlefield typically indicates a connection issue or a problem with the game's ability to communicate with the servers. This can manifest as an inability to log in, being disconnected during gameplay, or failure to join matches. While the exact root cause can vary, it generally points towards a disruption in the data flow between your game client and the server infrastructure, potentially due to network configuration, corrupted game files, or server-side problems. Identifying the specific trigger is the first step towards an effective resolution. Step: verify server status and your internet connection content before attempting complex fixes. Always confirm that Battlefield servers are operational and that your internet connection is stable. Check official help channels, the Battlefield Twitter account or community forums for any widespread server outages or maintenance announcements. Simultaneously perform a basic internet connection check. Restart your router and modem, run a speed test, and ensure other online applications or games are functioning correctly. A weak or intermittent internet connection is a frequent culprit for error code. Step: repair game files and restart the origin client. Content corrupted or missing game files can prevent Battlefield from launching or connecting properly, triggering error code. Utilize the game client's built-in repair function found in the origin library, usually by right-clicking Battlefield and selecting repair or verify game files. After the repair process fully close and then restart the origin client. Running the client as an administrator can also sometimes resolve permission-related connection issues.
Step: update network drivers and system software content. Outdated network drivers, Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapters, or an outdated operating system can cause compatibility conflicts that manifest as connection errors like error code. Ensure your network drivers are updated to the latest version by visiting your hardware manufacturer's website. Can tool killer networking. Additionally, check for and install any pending Windows updates, as these often include critical system and security fixes that can impact game performance and connectivity.
Step: advanced network troubleshooting and contact support content. If previous steps fail, consider more advanced network troubleshooting. This includes flushing your DXGI open command prompt as administrator and type of config flushes, reviewing your IP address, and temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software to check if they are blocking the game's connection. Remember to re-enable them afterward as a last resort. Consider installing Battlefield entirely if error code persists. Gather all troubleshooting steps you've attempted and contact support directly through their official website for personalized assistance, providing them with as much detail as possible.